Okay, so we've taken out the string. There's a little yellow bit that went in the hole to hold the string in place. Now, in case you lose that, when you order one of our kits, what you get is a new string. You get a little tool that we've made that you can pop in there, and that holds everything in place instead of messing about with a screwdriver. We've even given you a little replacement peg that pops in that hole. So, stringing it all up, take this piece, and inside here is a wee hole, and we're going to push that through. You can see it coming there. We're going to pull that. The next bit's the hardest because we've got to get it through that hole as well. So, and that is a little bit more tricky than getting it through this one. Push it in, look it up through that hole. Now we have it nice and easy when you put the super glue on the end. You can use a pair of tweezers if you don't have a pair of forceps. We pull to the end of the string. And just pull it through. Okay, so we have our string, and that's the length there marked on the string. You'll see the little marks there for the commands. That's the old piece of string that came out. And now we just put our thumb on there, take out our little retaining peg. You can hear this talking quite well there. There we have it, one talk box completely restored, just for you, my friend Tony.